Hello, I'm Jamie, and in this video I'll be going through a tool that I've created that lets you create LODs quickly. It's basically an enter YouTube widget, and all you have to do is right click and run it. And this is basically an UI to create LODs quickly, because before you'd have to go into the mesh itself, and then if you go into create custom one and then go into set that to, let's say 4, you have to click on it. Oh, that's right. Click apply. And then you have to go down individually and do it yourself using this menu, and you have to do it for each and every model that you want. So let me just set this back to 1. Save that. Now you can see it only has an LOD of 1. So what my tool does is basically simplify all of that, and all you have to do is, let's say we want 4 LODs, so just click. So it gives you, every time you press plus, it gives you an extra one. So put LOD 0, we want a reduction of 0 since that's the base mesh anyway. So that doesn't really matter too much. So we're going to LOD number 1, and let's do the first LOD to have a reduction of about, let's say 20% at the screen size of about 80%. And then LOD number 2 have a bit more larger reduction of, let's say 60 at screen size about 50. And then LOD number 3 will do a massive one just so we can see how much difference there is. And let's do a screen size of about 40. Let's do 30. And then, so what we have to do is click on the mesh and just click update LODs, and then it will process and do this. Perfect. Now, if I was to go into LOD, as you can see, LODs are working now as intended. If I was to go into the LOD viewport now, you can see there's now 4 stages. And number 4, number 3, number 2, and then the base mesh. Now, we can now save this into a preset. Let's say it's called this monkey, I guess. Let's just go back into it and save preset. Now, as you can see, it's now saved a preset here. If I was to do none, it changes back to 0 LODs. I can then now load into this preset called monkey, which now automates it for you. So you can have different meshes that has the same preset that you've created. So if I was to click on this shark and also the monkey and click update, it would now use the preset that you've created, and just simplifies the whole process of, instead of actually going into the mesh, you can now do this in the menu. So that comes to the end of my video. This is basically a simple, quick, easy tool that you can have to create LODs. I find it more efficient than doing it manually. And so yeah, I hope you enjoyed. This is Jamie.